everybody. It's Miss O here. Do you like dressing up in costumes? I do. And it's that time of year again. It's almost Halloween, my favorite holiday. Today we're going to do some math and we're going to sing about pumpkins. So you might know this song already. Last time we went over how to get to numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We even went past 10. Today we're going to be working with number 5, and we're going to come up with some math strategies. Math strategies are ways we can think about numbers and how to solve problems. So today we're going to focus on acting things out. And you can do this at home with your stuffies, or you can actually get out little pumpkins or draw them, or anything that you have a collection of, rocks. And then another math strategy we're going to use today is drawing a picture. Drawing pictures is really important when we're doing math. And so are writing number sentences. Some of you have already started doing this in your class or in our class. Awesome. And last time we used something called a 10 frame. And the reason why it's called a 10 frame is it has 10 spaces. And all the top frames are filled today, so we know that that's 5. When we look at that number, we don't even have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can just see right away that there are 5 because the whole top row is filled. There's 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom, and that equals 10. And here we have our number line. And if we wanted to circle number 5 on our number line, we would count from the 0 and go all the way to 5. 5 is going to be in the middle, right before 10. Usually we start counting at 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But today we're focusing on the number 5. And do you remember something special about the number 5 when we're making tally marks? Some of you got out your popsicle sticks last time and you helped me make 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you remember what happens when we put our 5th tally mark down? That's right. We cross it all the way over like that. That's our 5th. Now, I'll tell you something that kindergartners often do that is a mistake that we learn from. Remember, mistakes help us learn and grow, so it's okay if you do this, but I want you to pay close attention to what mistake is often made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. People count 5, and then they accidentally cross on 6. But that wouldn't be a 5. That would be a 6, and that might confuse us because usually when we see a mark like that, it means 5, and we clump it together in our mind. So let's try that again the right way. Mistakes help us learn and grow, right, Puppy? Oh, I have Puppy here today. Puppy's watching our lesson. That's right. Making mistakes isn't bad, especially in math. It just helps us look and learn and try again. Math is all about trying and trying and trying again. It's lots of trying. That's right. All right, so let's try this one more time with our tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Awesome. So there's 5. We could also show it on dice like this. I've got my really big dice today. I see one number I see one dot in each corner, and we know that there's 4 corners on a square. And then there's one more in the middle. 4 and one more. Awesome. So today we're going to sing a song about the 5 little pumpkins. And before we do, I'm going to label these pumpkins as we're doing kind of a drawing. You could draw them on your own. If you want to stop the video and get out your whiteboard and draw the 5 little pumpkins. Remember, pumpkins can be green too. And then I'm going to label them with numbers. So I have my first pumpkin, which is number 1. I have my second pumpkin, number 2. I have my third pumpkin, number 3. I have my fourth pumpkin, number 4. And I have my 5th pumpkin, number 5. Now, I want you to notice all of their faces. You can tell a lot about how somebody's feeling based on looking at their face. Have you ever noticed that? This one's looking really sleepy. This one's sweating and looking up. He's looking a little scared. This one's looking silly. This one looks terrified. And this one looks a little bit spooky, right? All right, so we are going to sing the magical pumpkin song. And it goes like this, and maybe you know it, so you can sing it along if you do. 5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate. The first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "There are witches in the air." The third one said, "But I don't care." He's feeling silly. The fourth one said, "Let's run and run and run." The fifth one said, "Oh, come on, it's just Halloween fun." Then went the wind and out with the lights. And the 5 little pumpkins rolled out of sight. What happened? They all went away. Oh my goodness, all of our 5 pumpkins rolled away because they got scared from the witches and the wind and the dark. All right, here's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna make an equation. We're gonna write a number sentence about what just happened. We already acted it out. We drew a picture. And I'm going to show you how when we drew this picture, you can try this, they all went away. They rolled away, so we crossed them out. You can put 1 line through them, or you can put an X through them to show that they're not there anymore. Or you can cross out all the numbers. They're not there anymore. So that was us drawing a picture. And now we're going to make a number sentence. A number sentence is when you can add or subtract. In kindergarten, we usually use adding or taking away. And today the pumpkins rolled away. So we're taking away. You can show it on your fingers. They all went away. And how many were left? We had 5 pumpkins. Let's write our equation. We took 5 away. Taking away is this minus sign. That's called subtraction when we take away. We took away all 5 pumpkins because they all rolled away, didn't they? And then how many were left? We're going to have our equal sign. How many were left? 0. 0 pumpkins were left. Well, I really hope that they come back. And I have a feeling they will come back in our next video. So stay tuned and keep up the good work in math. You're doing awesome. Remember, mistakes help us learn and grow, especially in math. Right, puppy? That's right. So excited for Halloween. Can't wait to see what you're going to dress up as. And I'll see you soon.